going?
It's a surprise.
Is this your room? It's so cool.
Thanks.
You got me a present?
With all that help on my Penn State application? Of course I did. Open it.
I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything. I'm sorry we can't be here for your birthday.
That's okay. Sorry you have to go back and visit your dad.
I'm in such a great mood I don't think even he could ruin it. I feel like I'm finally doing good.
You are.
Me. What about you? When I met you, you were this scared freshman. Now look at you. You're like a sexy English schoolboy. I saw Mary Elizabeth checking you out.
No.
Innocent. Worst kind of guys. Never see you coming, and parents love you. It's like extra danger.
Well, it hasn't worked out so far.
Come on. You've never had a girlfriend? Not even a second grade Valentine? Have you ever kissed a girl?
No. What about you?
Have I ever kissed a girl?
No, your first kiss.
My first kiss. I was 11. His name was Robert. He used to come over to the house all the time.
Was he your first boyfriend?
He was my dad's boss. You know, Charlie, I used to sleep with guys who treated me like shit and get wasted all the time. But now I feel like I finally have a chance. I could even get into a real college.
It's true, you can do it.
You really think so?
My aunt, she had the same thing happen to her too. And she turned her life around.
She must have been great.
She was my favorite person in the world. Until now.
Charlie, I know that you know that I like Craig, but I want to forget about that for a minute, okay? I just want to make sure that the first person who kisses you loves you, okay? I love you, Charlie.
I love you too.